Hello, my name is Andrew Griffin and I'm a bankruptcy lawyer in the San Diego area. And today I'd like to talk to you about a reaffirmation of a debt and why after bankruptcy it may be a good idea. If you have any questions regarding your unique situation, pick up the phone and call us. We're going to help you figure out your options. In spite of the fact that most of what you read about reaffirmation in bankruptcy is clearly negative, there are some times when I'm glad to help my clients through the bankruptcy process by affirming a reaffirmation agreement. Madness or good lawyering? You decide. Much has been written about reaffirmation in bankruptcy. Many attorneys believe that reaffirming a debt is a bad idea. While I find the argument against reaffirmation compelling, there are instances where I will obtain and complete a reaffirmation for a client in bankruptcy. That's right. I'll buck the trend by completing and submitting the paperwork. I'll do it if I feel comfortable that my client can truly afford the payment, if I am concerned that my client's collateral will be at risk if we don't reaffirm, and if my client wants to use the process in bankruptcy as a tool to rebuild his credit. Further, there seems to be some confusion about the Chapter 7 reaffirmation process. Simply checking a box on the Chapter 7 statement of intention is not sufficient to reaffirm a debt. These agreements consist of about 10 pages of somewhat obtuse legalese which spell out details about the reaffirmed agreement. Further, your lawyer has to sign his name to a statement asserting that the agreement is in your best interest. If he or she is wrong or the judge disagrees, your lawyer is going to look incompetent or lazy. If you enter into the agreement and end up not being able to make the payments later on, your lawyer could be at risk for a malpractice suit. Neither of these options is particularly enticing. Get the picture? So while the consensus opinion amongst my colleagues is that reaffirmation is usually a bad idea, if you and your lawyer decide to pursue this course of action anyway, make sure that your agreement with your creditor is in writing and signed by you, your creditor, and your lawyer. And if you need any more information about filing bankruptcy, click on the link or call us at the number below and we'll be glad to provide you with more information. My name is Andrew Griffin and I want to help you by relieving your financial burden.